Let us verify the De Morgan's second theorem. So, second theorem says that complement of the sum is equal to product of the complement. So, to verify this, we have to verify the left hand side first. So, complement of the sum. For this, I need the two ICs. One is OR IC, second is NOT IC. So, OR IC, that is LS32, I have inserted here, and for this NOT IC, LS04, it is inserted here. See, I have taken these two inputs and connected as the two inputs. So, first and second pin of this OR IC is connected as the input. Output pin of this OR IC is given as the input of this NOT IC. So, what is the input of this NOT IC? Very first pin. So, first pin is connected to the output of this AND. Now, the output pin of, and that is the second pin of this NOT gate, is NOT IC is connected as the output. Now, next step is we have to connect the power supply of both the ICs. So, for this I have short circuited this 14 pin both ICs, and I have taken only one output from this and connected to the power supply, 5 volt power supply. Now, I have to connect the ground connection of both the ICs. For this, I have make the short circuit of this both these to 7 pin and take only this one output, only the one output from this 7 pin of one IC and connect it to the ground. So, let us verify the truth table of this theorem. Second theorem says that sum of the complement is equal to product of the complement. So, for this, for very first sum of the complement, according to that, both the inputs are 0, 0. So, I should get this output should be 1. Output should be 1. So, second case says that very first input you make as the 0 and second will be 1. So, output should be 0. So, here 0 I am getting. Next case is says that very first input you make 1, next time second input will be 0. So, for this again output should be 0. So, I am getting 0 here. Both the inputs should be 1 now. So, output should be 0. So, it is verified now. Thank you.